What's up, everybody? Jason here for KAB doing a quick random number block, one box break of 1819 Upper Deck Engrained Hockey. So, did have it on sale for a pretty good price. 10 total spots, randomized list customer names and the numbers. Everybody gets a number from 0 through 9. And as it works, is if you get number 3 in the randomizer, you'll get all cards being with 3 being the first number next to the dash on the left side of the dash. So, for example, if a card comes out 13 out of 99, that'll be your hit for number 3, 3 of 20, 3 of 25. 43 or 49, 93 or 99, etc., etc. The number 3 block will get all the cards. All redemption cards that are pulled in this box break will go to spot 0. If it's a known 1-1, it'll still go to spot 0. And any unnumbered cards will be randomized at the end of the break. So everybody have a shot at those. And here is the dice roller. List customer names. Nick with 2, Jason with 4, Edwards with 1, Kyle with 1, and then Jason last 2. Then you got 0 through 9. Dice roll it. We got 3 times, 1 and a 2. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, 3 times. Nicholas down at Edwards. And we got 3 times on the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 6 down to 0. Alright, so Nick, you got 6, Jason with 7, Kyle with 4, Nick 8, Last Ball Mojo, Jason 1, so any 101s will be yours. Jason with 3, 9, 2, 5, and Edwards, if any redemptions come out, that'll be yours. So let's sort this out, and if you guys want to make any trades, give you guys about a minute. I don't know if you guys want to make trades for numbers, but you guys can. I think he was just messing around. But it's alright, it's all good. Alright then. Let's close the trade window. Let's see if that 6 will hit now. That's my favorite number, so maybe hit some nice stuff, Nick. Alright guys. We got 3 boxes left. Boxes aren't numbered, but let's just pretend they are. 1, 2, and 3. What I'll do is here, I'll roll a die. For roll a 1, 2, we're going to go with the top box. 3, 4, the middle. 5, 6, the bottom. Alright, ready? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the bottom box. Here you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, so the first one we got is a Brock Besser. A little wood base. It smells like fresh wood. And it's 182 of 299. Spot 2 going to Jason. Next one we got is Henrik Borgstrom. 117 of 299, so that's spot 7 going to Jason as well. Let's go with the bottom. We got Zach Whitecloud. 143 of 299. Jason with spot 3. And we got a little Connor McDavid. That is a synthesis, and I don't think these synthesis are numbered. So everybody will have a shot at this at the end of the break. Alright, then we got, for the Nucks, rookie signature shots, Adam Gaudette. The wrong Canuck, but still. 23 of 49, spot 3 going to Jason. Then we got signature, remnants. Engrained for the Blues, Doug Gilmour. That is 11 out of 100. Old school stick right there. Spot 1, Last Ball Mojo, Jason. Man, when you're hot, you're hot. There you go. And the last one here. Oh, wow, it's one of these woods. Stan Mikita, carved in time. Wow. These are awesome. Oh, yeah, this one smells good. There you go. And this is not going to be numbered. Only odds. So everybody will have a shot at this at the end of the break. So there you go. Nice. Wait, I don't think those are numbered. Let me double check though. So if that is the case, we're going to randomize this customer names. Number 1 will get the carved in time Stan Mikita. And number 2 will get the Connor McDavid. Let me quickly just look that up. Yeah, they're 1 in every 10 packs. So basically like one of the bigger hits. Oh wait, no. Oh no, the honorary engravings have a numbered. Okay. Just tripping out right there. Yeah, they're 36 cards, 1 in every 10 boxes. Okay. So there you go. Alright, awesome. So good luck, all. Switch scenes. Let's get another randomizer dice roller going. A new list. And let's grab the customer names from here to here. Again, number 1 will get the wood carved in time. Number 2 will get the Connor McDavid synthesis. After 4 and 4, 8 the hard way. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times. Jason, at the top, you're going to get the carved in time. And Nicholas, number 2, going to get the Connor McDavid. So there you go. Nice. And I believe these carved in time actually sell pretty well. There you go. Synthesis Connor McDavid going to Nick. And there you go, guys. This was number 3. I'll post another one, number 4. KEB. Appreciate it, guys.